Okay, let's start. So today we are working with a shooting game. So I download a quick character, but for who doesn't download yet, you can go ahead and download any character. So let's go to the main menu, which I didn't change the name. I still put it sample scene. Was it? Oh, it has slash on top. That's why I can't see. Sample scene. Okay, see the changes. So what we'll be looking at today is how to make this cool main menu with no code at all. Oh wait. Sometimes I just get shorter. I don't know. Yeah, that. Right. If I. Oh wait. Let me quick play one more time. It's not working well. It's not like my fault. It's actually like something's wrong with my computer fault. I don't know why. See, we interact with it, and you press it. You go to a new scene where you can run around and play with your character. I will add the enemy soon, but for this 3 episodes, when we're still working with this 3 episode, I mean, I know the rest of the episodes aren't ready yet, but for these episodes, we'll be working on this. So, yeah, that's what we've been working on. So, what I went through was freezing. So I download this asset from Bracky. Love that guy. Oopsie doopsie. What is this part of this thing called? I'm just gonna color this thing up for a while. Rocket base, hey. Rocket pivot. Got yeah. Rocket. Left. So this is everything I need to set up for this one. Now let's start coding. So first we want to do is have a character and an animation. You can go ahead and download it from mixmo.com, but for me, my internet isn't responding right now, so I can't do it. Oh, wow, what is this? Mixmo.com, character animation. Something's wrong. Trust me. It's totally wrong. Wow. Why is Mixmo acting so weird today? I don't know, let's try to go to YouTube and see if it's working. Even YouTube is acting weird. Then it must be just my internet. It's nothing else. Okay, so I got a character. This cool looking guy. Downloaded Wiggle. You could go check out Bracky's. He could give you a lot cool asset from his pack thing. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, it's pack, like a lot of pack. Okay, let's see. So now I set up an animation for this guy. Let's see his animation. Let's see. Here's animation. So this is the idle, walk, and this is run. But the idle is the one we're just using because this have a state to move. Yeah, so we will only do the idle. That I'm using for the player. I'm tired of making other animations. So what we can do is, now after adding an animation, you can just add for one first. I'll show you the rest soon. So you just create a character, create an animation controller, just hit create animation controller. I'm just gonna create a new one, show you player 1, and I don't know, player 1, and then search idle Rifle idle. You can download it already, but whatever. I went to rifle walk here and set it to idle. Player 1. Set it to that animation. All set. See, it's still working. Nothing wrong. Great. So now we want to make the play button. I don't know, you could take any play button model. But me, I took this model from online. Where? And then you just create a simple canvas. Okay, let me just deactivate this so I can work with another one. Gonna create a new button. Create UI, a button. I don't even need Tecmo Scroll. By that I mean I don't even need anything. So this button, the UI sprite, I want the sprite I download. I mean the sprite that I download, which is this one. You shall set it to 2D sprite and UI and then hit the apply button. Go to button, I don't know, I'm gonna drag this in as a UI and see we got a play button on screen, but it's not doing anything right now. So let's go to scene, button, but then I just go to canvas. Oh, I want to turn on gizmo so I can see canvas, where it is. Okay, so I use this tool first. Let's see. It wasn't, it's a button actually. That should be bigger. So I make the button this big, I guess. I don't know, any size you want. For me, I love my button big and strong. Okay, but I'm gonna change sizes soon and maximize and everything soon. So let's change the color. I want a white, but when it's highlight, I want it to go more darker instead of like that only. When press, I want it to go a little darker. When selected, I want it to go a little over here. And when disable, I want it to go back to white. So that's it. So now we hit play. You will see it move like an interactable object. It's an interactable object. Oh, I think I'm on it the wrong side. Well, let's make it a little smaller, I guess. Okay, I learned a while you small things now. You can't put everything big. Okay, and I guess that's it for it's not yet ending, but that's it for this button. Now let's add an FFM component. I mean, if you've been watching me a long time, you know that I don't use code. I use Playmaker. So let me type in. I mean, you can import it by downloading the link in the description below and then import it. So after opening Playmaker, you hit the edit, you shall see this screen. So then you add a state, and you know Playmaker has a level tab which has load level and other scripts. So let's go with load level. Load level. I got in a load level, but you have to have two scenes to switch between. So if you think of me, I have this. I got a build setting and I built my scene. One for the sample scene and one for the game, which is the gameplay. So I'm gonna go to game, type in game, cause that's the scene that I'm switching to. Let's create an event. I don't know, I'm typing play time. I don't know, you can type in anything. This is my, please type, please click, there, now that's more like it. A global transition to playtime. I think this is enough, right? I mean, I never use any more code than this much. Oh, yep. There's still one more thing we need to do. Control V, playtime. Enter. Now, if you hit play, it shall work. That's epic. That's it for this tutorial.